Right?
So in order to get a square piece of paper, you fold it corner to corner. And then this is going to have to be.
Are they working on?
The KK bridge has been perpetually being worked on for, seems like the last few years. Well, it's good to get like sharp creases, and I usually use a hammer if I have to. You gotta get a crease the other way now. I'm going to try to position this so it's in a bit better camera angle for you. Raise it up, and this point here has got to go down to that spot there, like that. Well, that cardboard was already pre-creased by Paps, the right spot. This point's got to go down there. And then, the side that's open like that, this edge goes to the center. Most of these things you do, you just keep repeating. So this thing. Oops. Didn't come out quite too good there. Should be straight across. Then you got to crease this both directions.
Air train.
Now, this has got to come out, and then these creases have to go back, reverse themselves. Like that. Now the same thing on the other side. Is that same one with 8 engines in it? Coming out now? Can't see it. Sounds like a switch engine. I don't think it's that same one. It's a switch engine revving up. I'm just making the creases sharper.
CP, not the steel.
Must be heading out of town. It sounds like it's really rough. Front 2 or 3 are running all right. Here's a tricky move here. This edge got to go over to here. And then you do the same thing 4 more times. Either one of these ends could be the head, and that yellow there, it'd make it kind of a neat bird's head. So that end's going to be the bird's head. Here's where I could use a hammer. Another hammer job coming up here. I'm gonna crack the bird's skull.
Yeah. Kill that motherfucker.
Alright, here comes the... Well, actually, I guess at the base of the tail there's the anus in it. So I got my fingers in the bird's anus right now. Another hammer job coming up. Oops, almost got my finger. Okay, the bird's about ready to hatch.